Morning students. Today we will discuss a very important topic. Basically it is a economic problems which Indian economy has to face. So there are two problems we will discuss today. First is unemployment and second is poverty. Under this unemployment, there will be a question: what are the causes of unemployment in India? What steps have been taken by the government in recent years to remedy or to solve this problem, to remedy this situation? So we will discuss this topic. Now, a quotation given by Pigou is: a man is unemployed only when he is both without a job or not employed and also desires to be employed. It means he is willing to be employed. In that type of situation is there according to Pigou. Now, when we will discuss the nature and types of unemployment in India, there are different types of unemployment which arises. The unemployment in India is a chronic and multi-dimensional problem. So here we can discuss the various types, like industrial unemployment is there, structural unemployment is there because of change in structure of the economy, frictional unemployment is there because of lack of raw material, educated unemployment is there which is also called white collar unemployment, seasonal unemployment is there, disguised unemployment is there. These both are uh, basically being seen in agriculture sector. Then underemployment is there, where there is a less number of hours given to the worker. Then cyclical unemployment is there, and then there is open unemployment is there. So these are different types of unemployment. Basically, when we discuss unemployment, different type of institutions are there which are predicting or which are measuring unemployment. So here, according to CMIE, that unemployment rate in March 20 latest figure is rises to 9%, that is highest in 43 months. So this is according to the measuring Indian economy. Then causes of unemployment: basically there is a rapid rate of growth of population in India. Growth of population is very fast, that's why number of people are more. Then mechanization, which also leads to unemployment. Defective education system, there is a lot of traditional system going on. Technical education is still lacking in our economy. Then decline of MSMEs, these are called micro, small and medium enterprises, small scale and cottage industries. These are again there is a less growth of these. Then there is a less saving and investment. Then immobility of labor is also a very big cause of unemployment. Then temporary and migratory character of labor is there, which also leads to unemployment. Then there is a lack of national employment policy, which is still there. uh, it should be there only when all the things will be streamlined. Then next topic is efforts. These are efforts or what government is doing to solve the unemployment problem. So there are a lot of schemes. So you can easily see on different Indian websites, the government websites, or where you will find lot of schemes like Swarn Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana (SGSY), started in on 1st April 1999 to give self-employment. This is also known as self-help groups. So self-help groups comes under this. So their name is Ajivika. So this is a latest name. Then it changed into National Rural Livelihood Mission in 2012-13, where 150 districts will be covered under this scheme by the government. Here government funding is also important in these type of schemes, where center and state uh, will make efforts. Then Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana SGRY started in September 2001. This also changed into National Urban Livelihood Mission in September 2013. Then micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, development of agriculture and industrial sector has been done by the government, and government is doing every effort to increase employment in these type of sectors. Then development of organized sector. Then there is a very important scheme which is called Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega, that is started in 2005, gave 100 days employment to the unemployed people. Then National Food for Work program started in 2004 in again in 150 backward districts to give food to the workers. Then setting up of special economic zones. So many economic zones are there. They are working, but there are few which are in profits and they are operational. Then skill development schemes. Various skill development schemes have been started by government. Lot of technical education institutes, ITIs are there, which are providing technical education to the students so that they can make use of it and become self-employment, or they will get that type of knowledge which will help in getting employment. So these are basically efforts made by the government to solve the unemployment problem. Thank you.